You have your machine, your other machine, okay. You have power coming in, and your pedal goes here. You have a timer with a relay. The timer says part number 26280N. Here you have your power switch on off, a capacitor for this motor. This motor is a RMC. I don't know why it doesn't zoom in, but oh, there you go. RMC, and the type is a JX5634, 120 watts, 1400 RPMs. This button here is for blade adjust. You press it one time, this relay triggers, brings down the knife. Press it again, it goes back up. This is just a power light. It's a very simple design. You also have on top, you have a safety switch to make sure the cover is on the machine, and you have a signal up switch and a signal down.